Howdy. Welcome to the Homestead Kitchen Living. Are you having a rough day? Got stuck out in the rain with your umbrella down? Things just aren't going right. You probably want to come home and just say, fudge it. I agree. What would lift your spirits more than some good quality fudge? So today, we're going to talk about fudge.
My God, what did you eat?
Okay, we start with 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Next, we add all of the ingredients into the mixing pan. Now we stir the mixture over some medium heat, slowly melting and dissolving the butter. A candy thermometer is helpful to help track the temperature. Now that the butter is melted and we have a rolling boil, it's time to lower the heat so that we can slowly cook the mixture. Once the temperature has reached 240 degrees, I remove the mixture from the stove. I cooled off a sample in the spoon using cold water. This is called the softball stage. Now I know for sure the mixture is ready to be cooled in the refrigerator. Keep an eye on the temperature of the fudge in the refrigerator. Once the fudge has reached 120 degrees, bring the fudge back out and begin to stir it. Continue mixing the fudge until the color and consistency start to change to a lighter, duller color. You'll notice this change after about 4 or 5 minutes of stirring. Notice the change of the color in the fudge. It's now lighter and duller in color. Now is the time to pour the fudge into an 8x5 loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Oh yeah, we're going to have some fudge soon. Ah, look, I made a mess. Fudge me. After an hour or 2 of cooling in the refrigerator, it's time to cut the fudge down into bite-sized pieces. Nice, yummy fudge, ready to be eaten. If you want to make chocolate fudge, just add 1/3 cup of cocoa to the mixture before you start to boil it. And there it is, chocolate fudge. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.